Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Women who changed the world. Women in science, medicine, and innovation. In our last video, we talked about women whose courage helped transform civil rights. Today, we're turning our attention to women whose curiosity, compassion, and determination changed the fields of science and medicine. These women asked important questions, they looked closely at problems others overlooked, and because of their work, countless lives have been improved. Let's begin in a laboratory in Europe with a scientist whose discoveries reshaped modern medicine. Marie Curie. Marie Curie was born in Poland in 1867 at a time when women faced many barriers in higher education. But Marie was deeply curious and determined to study science. She eventually moved to Paris to continue her education, where she began studying mysterious energy coming from certain elements. Through years of careful research, Marie Curie discovered two new elements, polonium and radium. Her work led to the understanding of radioactivity, a discovery that would later help doctors treat cancer and develop important medical imaging tools. Marie Curie became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and remarkably, she won 2 Nobel Prizes in 2 different scientific fields. But her journey was not easy. She worked long hours in difficult laboratory conditions and faced skepticism simply because she was a woman in science. Marie Curie's story teaches everyone several powerful lessons. That curiosity leads to discovery, persistence matters in learning, and scientific work can serve humanity. Her careful research continues to impact medicine and science even today. While Marie Curie's work advanced medical science in laboratories, another remarkable woman would go on to transform eye care and restore sight to thousands of patients. Dr. Patricia Bath. Patricia Bath was born in Harlem, New York in 1942. From a young age, she showed strong interest in science and a deep desire to help people. As she pursued her medical career, Dr. Bath noticed something troubling. Many people in underserved communities did not have access to proper eye care. This observation led her to focus her work on preventing blindness. Dr. Bath invented a groundbreaking device. This technology made cataract surgery more precise and helped restore vision to many patients around the world. Because of her invention, she became the first Black woman physician to receive a medical patent in the United States. But Dr. Bath's impact did not stop there. She also worked to promote what she called community ophthalmology, which emphasized bringing eye care to people who might otherwise be overlooked. Her story reminds us that science can be used to serve communities. Careful observation leads to innovation, and one invention can change thousands of lives. Dr. Patricia Bath combined scientific skill with compassion, a powerful combination for any young learner to see. Our final story today takes us back in time to the 1800s, where one determined nurse used her medical knowledge and compassion to care for soldiers in the middle of a war. Mary Seacole. Mary Seacole was born in Jamaica in 1805. Her mother ran a boarding house where she cared for sick travelers, and young Mary learned important nursing skills by watching and helping. Years later, during the Creamer War, Mary wanted to assist wounded soldiers. When she was denied official permission to join the British nursing team, she did something remarkable. She funded her own trip to the war zone. Mary Seacole set up what became known as the British Hotel near the battlefield, where she provided food, supplies, and medical care to injured soldiers. She often traveled directly onto the battlefield to treat the wounded, showing both medical skill and extraordinary courage. After the war, many soldiers praised her kindness and dedication. Though her contributions were overlooked for many years, history now recognizes her as a pioneer in nursing care. Mary Seacole's life teaches compassion is powerful, determination can overcome obstacles, and practical skills can save lives. Her work reminds us that innovation in medicine is not only about laboratories, it is also about caring for people in their time of greatest need. As we reflect on these three remarkable women, we see a beautiful connection. Marie Curie expanded scientific knowledge. Dr. Patricia Bath used innovation to restore sight. Mary Seacole brought compassionate care to those in crisis. Each woman saw a need. Each woman used her knowledge and determination to help others. For everyone, these stories are rich with encouragement. They remind us that learning is not just about memorizing facts, it's about preparing to serve the world with wisdom, skill, and compassion. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep nurturing curious minds everywhere you go. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezaHomeschoolAcademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.